Hey guys, welcome to Product Review Hub. Today we'll be reviewing gaming laptops to determine the one that can be crowned ultimate. Before we continue, please do like this video and also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. The market for gaming laptops is a very competitive one, and the best laptops have been replaced each year. During the early days of mobile gaming, desktop replacements with multiple power brick and RGB lighting were the perfect way to describe the kind of laptops being used at the time. But these days, manufacturers are building portable and powerful specs with professional builds. For an excellent gaming experience, these are new generation gaming laptops that have fast refreshing screens, which are not only great for gaming but also good for everyday work. Asus gave us the ROG Zephyrus G15, which was the ultimate gaming laptop for a while. Everything about the ROG Zephyrus G15 was just right, and I wasn't sure a new version could emerge to replicate its success. Eventually, Asus made the ROG Zephyrus G14 a bit bigger, thereby creating the ROG Zephyrus G15. At first, I wondered if it could deliver the same combination of portability, performance, and battery life as its 14-inch predecessor, but the ROG Zephyrus G15 happened to come out as the best G15-inch rig you can get today. It handles the most demanding games online swiftly without issues and also makes a great driver. The ROG Zephyrus G15 is one of the lightest 15-inch gaming laptops in the market today, and it's powered by the best mobile chips which Nvidia and AMD have to offer, with a fast 165Hz QHD 1440p display. Also, AMD and Nvidia have just given us some exciting updates about their next generation series of mobile graphic cards and mobile processors, giving us the GeForce RTX 3000 series and the Ryzen 5000 series respectively. These are already available in some premium gaming laptops from different manufacturers. Another interesting thing to consider is the best gaming laptop is power. You need to know that not all chips with the same name are created equal. The RTX 3070 chip in one gaming laptop may not be able to deliver the same frame rates as the RTX 3070 chip in another laptop because of its processor wattage or even its cooling system. Another feature to watch out for in the best gaming laptop is the G15's 165Hz QHD display. Many 15-inch laptops with QHD screens are finally emerging en masse this year. At this time, manufacturers have accepted that mobile hardware is powerful enough for gaming laptops, and they are already taking advantage of them. Most mobile gamers have had the option of 1080p display or a 4K display, which is very expensive, and only a few laptops can even run demanding games at playable frame rates in 4K. The ROG Zephyrus G15 can handle even the toughest AAA titles at QHD resolution. The panel's color reproduction is fantastic as well, making your gaming experience great. This is not only about the gaming, every other feature about the ROG Zephyrus G15 is great too. The audio sound popped from the 6-speaker array of the G15 has strong bass and percussion. You'll also get satisfying clicks from its keyboard and touchpad with a long-lasting battery that can last for 8 hours or more. Nevertheless, the G15 might not be the best gaming laptop for everyone, as there's no webcam. This is a significant oversight, and most people may prefer a flashy aesthetic or a more affordable product. But it remains one of the best laptops you can buy even if you're not a gamer. You'll be surprised when you find out that the G15 weighs just over 3.5 pounds. This kind of weight is unheard of for a strong gaming system that has a powerful processor and a discrete GPU while running most demanding games at a better frame rate than other gaming laptops of the same size. A top secret of the ROG Zephyrus G15 is its processor. All available models of the G15 have AMD's monstrous 8-core Ryzen 9 5900HS. The G15 at maximum setting average 178 FPS on CSGO. It graphically intensive effects of dust particles and fire look just fine. Games like Red Dead Redemption 2 average 58 FPS at the maximum setting. This is almost 60, and Shadow of the Tomb Raider performed well at maximum setting too. Also, ray tracing was not a problem for the G15. Let us not forget that all these are running at QHD resolution, which is already a bigger move compared to traditional 1080p. In comparison to the performance of another powerful gaming laptop, the Razer Blade 15 base, the G15 did better than the Razer Blade's QHD RTX 3070 Intel configuration because its performance on the Red Dead Redemption 2 was just 53 FPS at maximum setting, and it also cost $400 more than ROG Zephyrus G15. The current price of the G15 at $1,799.99 is an unbelievable value for a laptop of such quality. Although the G15 doesn't deliver the best gaming pictures at the moment, it still looks great, and its improvement upon the G14's 1080p was significant. While using the G15, character movement is very smooth, has no stutter in sight, and also features a great color display. Nevertheless, a small amount of glare may be observed while using the G15 outdoor, but it's still usable at maximum brightness. The G15 has an intelligent cooling system that features two 84-blade fans with 6 heat pipes. Like I previously mentioned, it had no problem running high demanding games, and its temperature just rests between 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, and it never exceeded 80 degrees Celsius. I would commend Asus for this, as it performs one of the best cooling gaming laptops could possess. Because it runs heavy AAA titles at maximum QHD resolution. Interestingly, despite the performance of its cooling system, the fans do not give a deafeningly loud sound, but it gives a standard sound when it is under load, which is normal for a gaming laptop, and this sound doesn't interfere with the game's audio. And do you know you can switch to the silent profile using the Armoury Crate software? This software is so amazing. With it, you can simply turn off the sound of the fan and still have the cooling system working perfectly, and you will still experience a great performance. Now, talking about the audio, the G15 speaker also produces brilliant sounds. As earlier mentioned, there are 6 of them working together with 2 front-facing tweeters and force-canceling woofers right under the palm rests. The combination of these audio features gives a clear and powerful percussion with strong bass. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 is preloaded with Dolby Access, which allows you to jump between equalizer presets for music, movies, and of course gaming as well. This is another amazing feature. The G15 also comes with 3 microphones, which are very good at picking up voices. There's a preset for conference calls, music recordings, and game streaming. All of these are incredible features, but they're not enough for the G15 to serve as a good choice for remote work because of the absence of a webcam. I'm not surprised, since its predecessor, the G14, didn't have a webcam too. Asus may be skeptical about the idea of a webcam on Zephyrus products. This decision is a great knockoff device with such an advanced microphone but no webcam to go with it. Now, about the G15's chassis, there are a couple of things to note. A good number of Asus laptops, including the G15, possesses an ergo lift hinge. The hinges fold under the deck when you open the laptop, and it lifts the keyboard base. This feature was added to create an ergonomic typing position, but the hinges are sharp and may not be convenient for frequent couch users. The keyboard and touchpad give a great typing and clicking experience as well. Its predecessor had one of the best keyboards in 2020, and the G15's keyboard is quite similar. Its dedicated volume keys, which happen to be a Zephyrus staple, are quite convenient. The G15's also features a fingerprint sensor built into the power button, which is positioned at the top right of the keyboard deck. Now on the ROG Zephyrus G15's massive touchpad with a dimension of 5.1 by 3.4 inches, which is 20% larger than the previous generation of G15. The touchpad is so big that a bigger portion of both your palm could rest on it when you're not typing. It's a bit loud, but the overall effect of the touchpad is excellent. I'd say it's a fine touchpad. One of the most impressive facts about the G15 is its battery life. This battery doesn't just run down, it's an excellent daily driver for remote office workloads. It can last an average of 8 hours 32 minutes. It's a bit below what you can get from G14, although this is because the G15 has a bigger screen resolution to fuel. This particular feature puts the G15 and its predecessor, the G14, at the top of the list of longest lasting gaming laptops ever seen. The G15 has a built-in 90-watt battery. Many of such gaming laptops with comparable bricks would only last a few hours on a single charge. However, a significant gaming time reduces the lifespan of the G15, though the game will be playable without stutter and performance issues for much of the time. It would run for 1 hour 30 minutes or thereabout until it gets to less than 10%, then it would drop below playable rates. Another thing that juices up the G15 is its decently fast charging 200-watt charger. The G15 also supports a 100-watt Type-C charger. If you don't want to be moving around with a heavy brick 200-watt charger, just make sure you're not doing GPU-intensive tasks. You can see that almost everything about the G15 is fantastic. The incredible thing is that most of these features are on the G15 at several $100s less than all its QHD competitors. If you're fine with using an external webcam and you don't need a 240Hz screen, then there's no reason to buy any other 15-inch QHD laptop, because the G15 is just perfect. With its superior battery life, lightweight, and price, this is the ultimate gaming laptop. Thanks guys for watching to the end. I guess you enjoyed this video. Let us know your opinion about the Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. Thank you.